My people, here's the latest gist straight out of Abakaliki, Ebonyi State. Guess what? Our governor, His Excellency Francis Nwifuru, just flagged off a landmark project that is about to change the game for two major states, Ebonyi State and Benue State. Yes, we are talking about a 5-span bridge, and not just any bridge. This one is connecting Izi local government area in Ebonyi State to Oju local government area in Benue State. That is very serious if you ask me. This is also a way of making sure that there is peace between these two states. Let's break it down. This bridge in question, when completed, will become a major trade route, helping our people transport food and goods more easily all the way to even Abuja and the northern states. Imagine your goods moving this fast. Less stress, more money in your pocket. We love to see it. These are the things we absolutely love to see on this space. And the location, well, it's at Ebonyi Benue. That place is about to blow up and become a hot spot for trade, commerce and economic activity in the state, a real gateway to prosperity. But that's not all. The governor of Benue State, His Excellency Ancient Alia, even promised to handle the Oju to Vandeike Road once Ebonyi finishes the bridge. Now that's partnership that makes much sense. And here is the part that really touched us. Governor Francis Ogbonna got personal with this one. He shared that back in 1996, he was in a ghastly motor accident, and it was the Sudan Mission Hospital right there in Ebonyi Benue that saved his life. So for him, starting this project is not just political, it's deeply personal. With institutions like the School of Health, the School for the Deaf, and a motherless baby home in that area, this bridge is going to change lives, no cap. And guess who is handling the construction? Our very own Nigerian Army Engineering Corps. It's not an easy job, there's a big river involved, but these guys have shown serious technical capacity. Big ups to them for even making consensus to support Ebonyi State. And also, the road leading to the bridge will also be handled by the same contractor. We are not just building a bridge, we are building a full road. Now to our people of Ebonyi Benue, the governor has a message for you specially. Please give your full support to the workers on site. No stories. Let's show the world how united we are when development comes home. Shout out to the traditional ruler and the entire community. Let's get this done once and for all. This is not just a bridge, it's a symbol of connection, of healing, of growth and progress for the future. Once again, Francis Nwifuru is proving that when it comes to real transformation, Ebonyi State know they carry last. Stay tuned for more updates from this groundbreaking project only on Ebonyi People TV.